Hi guys, Tanner here with TNT Customs. Today we're going to go over our different track bar mounts for the Jeep Wrangler TJ and LJ. To start with, we have our standard track bar mount. This is designed to work with factory style suspension, so you would get it with our 1 to 3 inch or 4 to 6 inch factory track bar and our 1 to 3 and 4 to 6 OTK track bar if you still have the factory steering gearbox location. Our high clearance track bar was designed for use with our steering stretch kit. This track bar, as you can see, is much shorter, so it moves it up closer to the frame. With our steering stretch kit, essentially you are rotating the steering box, moving it up and forward. Going over the standard clearance track bar mount again, this is designed for a 2-inch wide joint using a 12mm bolt. All our track bars come with some machine flex joints in them and are powder coated gray. When installing this track bar, essentially the flat on the coil bucket here, you're going to trim about a 1/2 inch off of that, slide it up into place and tack it. That is a preliminary position. We recommend that after you have the full suspension in, you cycle the suspension to make sure everything clears. You can also move this track bar forward on the frame if you'd like to, if you want to do a little bit of stretch. Our high clearance track bar mount is designed with using our steering stretch kit. It goes in a similar position, except most of the time you are moving that forward for the stretch. Essentially, we also recommend this with an aftermarket Dana 60, as typically your drag link is going to be sitting higher on the axle. If you have any questions, we are here to help. TNTcustoms.com. You can text us or you can call us at 307-775-9565. Thank you.